Hey, what's up YouTube fam? It's your man Charlie Anthony back with another FYI DIY video. And today's video is going to be changing the headlight on 2013 Durango. And so first of all, you got to start by turning your wheel outward on the side that you want to change the headlight out. So once you do that, make sure that the light is off so you don't burn yourself, because these lights get very hot. These HID lights get very hot. On the Durango, it's going to be a D1S HID light. So what you got to do after that is you got to go under here, and let's see if you can see it. Yeah, there we go. Right, so if you're looking under here, it's going to be a little cap that you got to remove. You're going to twist that off, and then the HID light is going to be inside of that. There's going to be a cover in there, so just bear with me for a moment. Oh yeah, it gets very dirty under here, guys. So there's the cap I was talking about. So the HID light is in here. So there's another cap in here, so rubber cap. Don't forget to put this back on because this shields it from the water. So I've had my headlight off for a bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to disconnect the plug from it. It's easier if you disconnect the plug from the HID itself while it's still connected, and then you're going to feel a little latch on the opposite side of the bulb. So once you do that, you can wiggle it out. There you go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep this one as a spare, you know, just in case something happens to the new one that I replaced. I'm replacing them because this was a cheap aftermarket one and they tend to blow out fast. So that's why I went with the Phillips. All right, guys. So this is the brand new Phillips one, and it's pretty much going to go in just like this. Plug to the bottom. All right, you're gonna get in here. So I would suggest just feel where the hole's at for the light prior to inserting it. This way you got it in the right place. Now once you set it in, you can lock it in place. Then where's my wire go? Then you can get the wire and voila, it's connected. Don't forget, put the rubber cap back on. This part takes more time than actually installing the light. All right, that's in. Don't forget, put this cap back on. Make sure you twist it back into place, and you're good to go. You're gonna do the same thing for the opposite side. Turn the wheel outwards, same exact steps. Your man Charlie Anthony back with another FYI DIY video. Don't forget, hit that like button, hit that subscribe. Once again, this is a 2013 Durango. 2011 to 2013 are the same. I believe on the newer models you can access the headlights the same way, so pretty much it should be the same step for the 2014s and up. So if you have any questions, leave a comment, leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and I'm out of here.